In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Drive photos public for anyone to access. If you've ever needed to share your photos with family, friends, or even colleagues, but found yourself tangled up in privacy settings, you're in the right place. With this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for anyone to share their photos publicly. To start, let's open up Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account. Once inside Google Drive, navigate to the folder or specific photo you'd like to share. It's essential to know which photos you plan to make public, as this will ensure you're sharing exactly what you want. You can do this by clicking on the folder or file to select it. Now that you've selected the photo or folder, you'll notice a small icon labeled Share located at the top right of the Drive interface. Click on it. This brings up the sharing settings window. Here, you'll see several options, and this is where the magic happens. In the sharing window, look for the Get Link section. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Restricted. Click on this drop-down and change it to Anyone with the link. Doing this adjusts the permission settings from private to a broader audience. This means that anyone who has the link will be able to view your photos. Now, you can click on the Copy Link button right beside it. This copies the URL to your clipboard, making it ready to share at your convenience. Before we move ahead with sharing the link, it's important to check the access level. Under the Anyone with the Link setting, there's an option that reads Viewer. This is the default access level, allowing the person with the link to only view your photos. Make sure this is selected if you only want them to view and not edit or comment on your photos. If you're comfortable with changing levels of access, feel free to explore these options, but for most cases, Viewer is usually ample. Finally, with the link copied and settings adjusted, you can now paste this link wherever you'd like to share it. You might choose to share it through an email, a social media platform, or any other method you prefer. Once shared, anyone with access to this link can view the photos you've made public. And that's it. Making your Google Drive photos public for anyone is as simple as that. Remember, while sharing publicly is convenient, always be mindful of what you're sharing to maintain your digital privacy. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.